Good afternoon, sophomores, and welcome back. Happy Tuesday. I'm excited that we begin another afternoon of math intervention. Today, we're going to talk about equivalent ratios, and all this week we're going to talk about equivalent ratios. By the end of the week, you're going to be an expert. Let's go ahead and get going. Your goal today is to figure out if two ratios are equivalent. When I need to figure out if two ratios are equivalent, the easiest thing to do is to simplify those ratios. So, 16 to 20 and 25 to 30. To simplify those ratios, I'm going to find the greatest common factor and divide both parts of my ratio by the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between 16 and 20 is 4. When I divide both by 4, I get 4/5. What's the greatest common factor of 25 and 30? It's 5. When I divide both by 4, my new ratio is 5 to 6. These two ratios are not equivalent. Let's look at another one. 21 to 35 and 15 to 25. What's the greatest common factor of 21 and 35? It's 7. When I simplify it, what's my new ratio? It's 3/5, or 3 to 5. What's the greatest common factor of 15 and 25? It's 5. And remember, I'm going to simplify my ratio down. What's 15 divided by 5? It's 3. What's 25 divided by 5? It's 5. These two ratios are equivalent. Now you try one. Tell me if these two ratios are equivalent. Remember, I'll need to simplify both. Let's see how you did. 16 over 24. The greatest common factor is 8. This ratio is 2 to 3. 15 over 20. The greatest common factor is 5. This simplified ratio is 3 to 4. These are not equivalent. You've done a great job with your video. Now it's time for practice. Go ahead and click on the link for practice from the intervention webpage.